Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to install HP Deskjet D1420 printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After downloading the drivers, just double click on that. It will start extracting the drivers first. So please wait here. Click on install. It is installing the drivers, so please wait here. Click on next. Check this box and then click on next. Now it is installing the drivers and it will take time, so please wait. Click on close. Now the installer is asking to connect the printer to the computer. So I suggest you to connect the printer's USB cable to the computer and make sure your printer is turned on. This screen will detect your printer connection and then click on next. Click on finish. Click on close. As you can see, all the icons has been created. So this means your printer has been installed successfully. So that is how you can install this HP Deskjet D1420 printer on your computer. Hope you like my efforts. If you like it, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.